So note to self, get your bait out of the water before you start talking. I don't know. Yes, sir. Yep, there we go. Is it a spot or a croaker? What is it? Yeah, it's a little croaker. Yeah, a little croaker. I hear you. Do it again. I hear you. Put another cast out there. See if we can get a bigger one. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. It's me, David, fishing Southern Maryland, and I've got a gorgeous afternoon here on the Patuxent River out at Nan's Cove. It's currently 5:30 in the afternoon, Monday, June 2nd. I got some stuff done in the morning that I needed to do. Now I'm sitting out here, seeing if I can catch a couple fish. Got a croaker. Maybe I can catch something else. The tide's coming in. Let's see if it's bringing the fish. All right, here's another. Just a piece of FishBites. A little small hook. Anchored up here. And there's another. Again, they gotta be 9 inches to keep. And he's maybe 5.5. I don't know. Definitely not big enough to keep. But he's got to let go of the hook if he wants to go home. There we go. Put him right back. So right now I've paddled out probably about 100 yards off the northern shore. I don't know, maybe a couple 100 yards off of the eastern shore. I don't know, call it whatever you wish. But I've anchored the kayak. I got the kayak out here anchored because I have a little wind coming from the west and the tide is coming in. I think if I were to actually pick up the anchor, I'd be moving a little quickly. I wanted to come out, see if I could catch something on the bottom for a little while. And then as time passes, I'm going to start throwing some jigs. Go up closer to shore, see if there's any bigger fish in. I've had a couple fish break the surface of the water around me. I don't know if they were trout or if they were stripers or rockfish as we call them here in Maryland. I don't know, but we're going to give them a try in a little bit. We're going to see if we can catch a few more on the bottom though. No, that's not a croaker. That's not a croaker. That's not a spot. Please don't tell me I've got another ray. Please don't tell me I've got another ray. I just had one the other day. Please don't tell me it's a ray. It's just a little piece of FishBites. That's all it is, just a little piece of FishBites. The hook is maybe a size 6 octopus hook. I don't particularly want to get wet for the ride home. Oh, maybe it's not a ray. What have we got? I've got a striper. I've got a nice striper. Yes, sir. First of the season. I'd love to show you what he's got in his mouth. Okay, I don't mind getting wet if it's a striper. I got my paddle that I can use to measure him with. Yes, sir. Come here, buddy. Get in here. Right there in the corner of the mouth. Oh my gosh, come here. You gotta come in here. Come on. Come on. Come on, I don't have a net. Oh, yeah! Look at you! Oh, yeah! Look at the size of the bait that's in that guy's mouth right there. Let me show you. That's what caught that fish. Oh, yeah! We need pictures, buddy. How big are you? On my paddle, the fork is 23, the tip of his tail is 25. Oh my gosh, what a beast! What a beast. We need pictures. At least one picture. What a great fish. And you know what, buddy? I didn't come to kill fish today. I didn't come to kill fish. I'm gonna go. Bring you through the water. I feel you starting to bite on my finger. There we go. Again, 23, 24 inch striper on a size 6 little octopus hook with a piece of FishBites that might be 3/4 inches. That was amazing. Amazing. Woohoo! All right, before I make another cast, I want to talk about that fish again. Again, here in Maryland, the current slot is 19 to 24 inches. You can keep one fish a day. Again, to the fork, he was 23 inches on my paddle. But if I pinched his tail was beyond 25. I wasn't completely sure, so I let that fish go. Hopefully that'll reward me and that I can catch a couple others that are that size or even bigger later on in the year. Man, that was a nice fish. Man, that was a good fish. And it's not as big as that striper I just caught, but it's probably what the striper was feeding on. I didn't catch them on camera because they weren't very big, but yeah, that's it. I've been catching some of these guys too. In fact, that's my 4th one of those, shining in that beautiful sunset that's happening. Oh yeah, that's a trifecta. One. Got it cast out there. Dragging it behind me as I drift. I believe that's another spot or a croaker. It's definitely not what I caught when it came to that striper. Yep. Might have to come back again later in the week and put one of you on a circle hook. I don't know, we'll see. Let's get that out of your mouth and head home. There we go.